Hey guys, John Conley here, UncleJohnSoap.com. So yesterday we made a different batch of soap, gave you guys a recipe, showed you how to make soap without a stick blender. And that it's possible. You don't need much equipment, honestly, to make soap. Sometimes certain batches are going to take a while to come to trace and you might have to stir them for a little while. But I also showed you that, you can stir some, walk away some, stir some, walk away some. It's not like you got to sit there and actually babysit most batches of soap. It depends. If you put certain fragrances in, it might seize, yada, yada, yada. Two things. One, the measurements, mostly the metric ones on the recipe for yesterday, were screwed up. Actually, both were screwed up, to be honest, in the description section. The ones that are screenshots in the video were fine. The ones that I put in the description, I messed up. Fixed them this morning. Good to go. So just keep an eye on the measurements. Always double check everything you do on the internet. I'm living proof of that. And what's the other thing? Sorry for the subscribe bell and the bell notification thing. I thought I had turned the volume way down on that. That should be sort of an underlying thing. And somehow it ended up just being this blaring ding ding sound that is really annoying, and I apologize for that. So anyway, the real purpose of this video is we're going to cut the soap we made yesterday and show you how it cuts and what it looks like. It's been just about 24 hours since I made it and shot the original video. The original video didn't come out until 8:30 last night, and that's been, what, 14 hours, 15 hours, so. All right, let's get to it. All right, here's the loaf we poured yesterday. Let's get it out of the mold. Oh, you can hear that? Sounds pretty solid. We'll find out how good it is here in a sec. Let's bring you guys down a little bit. There we go. Actually, feels really hard. And for anybody wondering, we make our own molds. We make them to the size specifications we want. But what we're using here to line is commercial trash can liners. I think they're like a 30-gallon trash can liner that here in the States we would get at a big box store like Sam's Club, Costco, things like that. These are like the trash can liners you would use in schools, hospitals, things like that. Yeah, it's more plastic, but it's very thin plastic, easily, relative terms, easily biodegradable for plastic. But we get 8 liners out of one trash bag. So economics-wise, it really works well. And as you can see, it comes right off the soap. Stuff all my own way. I love it. So this is our soap cutter that we got from Russia, from Woodskin. So if you look up woodskin.ru or go on Etsy and look for Woodskin, you should find this guy. Very reasonable prices, even with shipping, and he'll make custom dimensions for you between the wires. So for me, our bars are 7/8 of an inch thick. I forget what that is in millimeters, don't even ask. Anyway, but he made that custom for me at no extra charge. Shipping was fast, so if you're looking for a multi-bar cutter, this is a good way to go. I really like it. Considering I was still using our homemade single bar cutter, hold on. Single bar cutter up until just a couple weeks ago. We would stand our loaf up in there and just slide it through the guitar string. Considering we've been using that, this is a huge step up for us. So, all right. And this is only a 12-bar cutter. It's wintertime here. Business is slow enough that we're trying to save a few pennies. So ours is a 24-bar loaf. So I have to put something under the end just to catch it so it doesn't completely fall. All right. Moment of truth. Yeah, it's pretty hard soap for only being a day in the mold. Come on. All right, time to lean on it a little. There it goes. I don't want to push too hard too fast because I'm afraid I'll break something, so I'm just kind of nice steady lean. It'll go. Honestly, this soap probably could have been cut. Now, I did a water discount too, so that's part of it. This soap probably could have been cut in 12 hours. Gotta let the tension of the guitar strings catch up. Come on. I may have to help push them through. So that's where I'll take this wooden ruler. Push the strings down some. Normally I wouldn't have to do this, but I think the strings all need tightening. That's part of the problem. So we'll get it through this one and tighten them up. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, all just a little slack. They do stretch after a while. And you try to tighten them as evenly as you can. Yep, not bad. Scrape some of that soap off of there. Line this up. All right, give her a cut. Come on, baby. Yeah, I waited too long. Honestly, this should have been cut sooner or not done as much of a water discount. The soap turned out great, but there it comes. And again, this is made of wood, so you got to be a little more gentle than normal. You know, if you had something like the tank, all metal tubing and things like that, it wouldn't be as bad, but yep, definitely need more water in the batch. I don't think that was quite all of them. I think one of them's still there. See, what happens is when you put the pressure on, I mean, it's actually squeezing that wood some. I mean, you can only make it so strong. So, yep, more water in the batch. Would have worked out a lot better, but knock the soap crumbs out of there. We'll just clean that up later. Ta-da! There it is. Just need to dust them off a little. Give them a little more cure time. Not much though. And they'll be good to go. Okay guys, so as you can see, the soap turned out great. Wish you could feel it. Nothing to smell. It smells just like plain soap because it is. Anyway, if you want to see how this was made with the recipe, check out the link here down below. And if you got anything out of this and you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, click subscribe, like the video, and click the bell icon so you don't miss anything. And I'll try to keep that little bell notification quieter. Sorry about that. All right, guys, here's what we're going to do with that badge from yesterday. We are going to do 4 giveaways. We're going to do 4 6-bar giveaways. So this is 6 bars, quarter of the batch. First thing is, I need you to be subscribed. Yes, I'm bribing you. Need you to like this video. Need you to send me an email at unclejohnsoap@gmail.com. And in the subject line, you're going to put simple soap giveaway. Put that in your subject line. You can put anything else you want, questions, comments, likes, dislikes, whatever, out down in the body of the email. But the subject line has to be simple soap giveaway. Sorry, almost forgot there. I did forget. Anyway, so simple soap giveaway in the subject line. Be subscribed and like the video. And then I will pick out random. Let's see, today's Sunday afternoon. I will pick at random tomorrow afternoon. Monday afternoon is when I'll shoot the little video for the drawing. And I don't know if I'll shoot a video, but I might include it in another video for this week. But I will do the drawing tomorrow for sure. 24 hours. So it's 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time now. So sometime between 1 and 4 tomorrow, I will do the drawing for the winner of the giveaway. Winners, 4 winners, 6 bars each. All right, guys. If you want to check out any of our other offerings, head on over to unclejohnsoap.com. And yeah, we've got, bath soap, shave stuff, beard stuff, lotions, shampoos. You can buy soap in bulk, soap by the loaf, which is basically we cut it standard, just like this. We cut it standard, and it's 12 bars per loaf, the way we cut it, 7/8 of an inch thick, yada, yada, yada. So, all right, guys.